How to clean bent bottom of a pan. What is the best way to clean bent bottom of a pan and pot and make it new again? What is the best cleaning product to use to clean bottom of a pan and make it new? In this video, I'm going to show you my new cleaning product that cleans bent bottom of a pan fast, easy, and make it new again. And let's start right now. So before we start, we need a gained dish soap, you need a sponge, you're going to need a soap pad, also gloves, and this is my newfound cleaning product, the Easyoff Degreaser. This is amazing. I'm going to show you how to use this on the bottom of your pan. It works. Once you spray on it, a few seconds, you will start seeing a real change. So let's try this on. So this is going to be my first try, and I want to share this with you because anything I share on this video, I try them myself. This is the bent bottom of our pan, and you can see how dingy, bent this look. If you've seen some of my videos, you can see all other cleaning products that I have used before. This is my new find cleaning product. This is Easyoff Degreaser. This works on anything from kitchen to garage to your outdoor things. And so I wanted to try it on my pot to see if this will make a big difference in my cleaning. And I see the difference. So you can see this little spot here. I tried it on to see if this really works, and it does work. It works in seconds. Let me show you how to do that. All you have to do is first thing to spray the bottom of the pot. Just spray the bottom of the pan, and this works in like seconds, but I'm going to leave this on for at least just 1 minute to have everything dissolve on it, to have it dry, and then we'll start cleaning. All right, and then all you have to do, you just wet your soap pad and then start scrubbing. If you have an old one that you've used before, you can use that as well because that works faster as well. And all you have to do is once you wet your soap pad, you just start scrubbing. And you can see right now, see the difference? See, it's just coming right off. Take a look at this, right there. It's coming right off. Look at the transformation already. And just give it a few more scrubs. Less than 5 minutes, your bent bottom of your pan is clean and neat and look new again. Look at that. Just give it a few more scrub. Just give it a few more. And just look how much we have cleaned. And so easy. You can add more spray if you want. And then we just get this little down here, that little corner, that little circle, and all the sides. Then just get a little place here inside the little corner. I just look. That is amazing. This has changed how I clean the bent bottom of my pan. So just get those little circles, all these little edges, and just scrub. See? Look at that. Our bent bottom just looks brand new again with this little hack. Clean all this around. And now our bent bottom, it's all brand new again, and we are just going to wash this off. Now we're just going to wash our pan. Look at how shiny this is looking. We're going to add soap. Then we're just going to wash this off. Look at our bottom of our pan. This is looking so shiny, looking brand new again. Make sure everything is washed off. Hello friends, so I just show you how to clean bent bottom of your pot or pan, make it new again. Look at how shining and brand new looking the bottom of our pot is by just using Easyoff Cleaner Degreaser. Look at the transformation in the bent bottom of our pot. This is amazing cleaner. It cleans anything from your kitchen to your garage to outdoor. You will love this. This is my newfound cleaning product. Make your cleaning easy in your home. I will leave a link below the description of this video. If you are interested in using this, there's so many things you can use this to make your cleaning faster, easier, and fun. So my friends, that's all about how to clean bent bottom of your pot or pan. My name is Florence at FlorenceStraka.com. If you're interested in how to clean bent bottom of pot, bent bottom of pan, stainless steel versus aluminium, watch the next video. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. My question for you today is, what is your best cleaning product you use at your home? Leave it in the comment section below for me, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.